How to fix Bluetooth audio not working issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, swipe down to open quick settings panel, and from here turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. Now after doing this, the Bluetooth audio issue will be fixed, but if it doesn't fix your issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this side button, and from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like Bluetooth issue. So after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings, scroll down and tap on apps, and then again tap on this apps option. Now click on this three dot more option and then tap on show system processes, and then go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth. Now here in Bluetooth, tap on storage and then clear the cache memory of Bluetooth app. So to clear the cache memory, just simply tap on clear cache and cache memory will be cleared. And after doing this, the Bluetooth audio will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then tap on software update. Now from here, check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if you have not updated the mobile software, then tap on download and install to update the software, and after updating, the Bluetooth will start working perfectly. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth audio not working issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.